Now we will understand the meaning of e-business. In the previous course, we had understood what business services are, what are the various types of business services, and how do they help in the growth of the business. We had learnt about banking and insurance. Now in this course, we will study emerging modes of businesses. The business had been practiced since ancient times. For example, human beings in the distant past followed barter system and business was being done face to face. The modes or ways of conducting business have differed over the times. The way business is done has undergone substantial changes during the last decade or so. Now the time is of e-business. Buying and selling of products and services takes place over the internet. We are using mobiles, laptops, PCs, etc., and internet in our business activities, which has increased our productivity and efficiency. The three strongest trends that are shaping businesses are as under. First is e-business, second is business process outsourcing, that is transfer of non-core area, and third is internationalization and globalization. In an effort to improve business processes, be it production, purchase, marketing, or finance, business thinkers or business managers are always busy in developing newer and better ways of doing things. Business firms are taking all possible steps to meet the competitive pressures. They are strengthening their capabilities to ensure better quality, speedier delivery to customers, better customer service, etc. E-business refers to the use of web, internet, intranets, extranets, or some combination thereof to conduct business. E-business means business with the help of internet. The term e-business was coined by IBM's marketing and internet team in 1996. In case of e-business, the buyer and seller do not meet personally. Suppose we are engaged in the business of manufacturing a screwdriver. We received an order for manufacturing 10,000 screwdrivers. Our factory produced the first set of 500 screwdrivers, which was having one side. This is one side. On sale, the buyer pointed out a fault that the screwdriver was to have two sides. This is one side, this is the other side. If we were living in the past, we would have gone to factory to tell the workers about the necessary change in the screwdriver. But now we, while sitting in the shop, can send an email to the person in charge at factory to make necessary changes in the screwdriver, and the work to bring about necessary change in the screwdriver will start immediately. We can also now use mobile to talk with the factory manager for this purpose. This is e-business, that is, we are using internet and electronic items in our business activities. Now we take another example of e-business. Suppose we are living in 1950s and we are running a grocery shop. We suddenly found that bathing soap has run out of stock. The supplier or producer is located 500 kilometers away. We will have to depute someone to go to that seller and place the order. In the meantime, there is loss of our business till the fresh consignment arrives. But now, in the present times, we can place the order to supplier or producer using mobile or email through PC, and the process for the supply of products will start immediately. Now you can also make the payment to the seller online through internet banking or Google Pay, etc. But in the past, say 1950s, the payment was made in cash. This is e-business when we have not to go anywhere to purchase anything or to make payment in person in cash. We can do purchasing and make payment online. We may also add that we have already uploaded many courses like email writing, future tense, past tense, present tense, cyber security, most common mistakes in English grammar, letter writing, web applications, forms of business organizations, DBMS, debate writing, note writing, and many more. You can look out for the same on our own website, YouTube, Google, Udemy, Tutorials Point, etc. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.